Oh yeah, it's Daze. I wanna love, oh. Even if love is blind, I want to love, oh. Even if not scam, I don't tire for this love. Links, see as my heart they beat. He define connect.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I pray that you guys are all doing well. It's been real hot this summer, so I kind of wanted to get something that was a lot cooler if I do decide on wearing a protective style, which I am right now. So I have a new wig from Luvme, and if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links provided for you guys in the info section below, as well as a discount code if you guys purchase this unit that I'm showcasing to you guys today. Use my discount code, which is SMTW, to save 30% off of this purchase. However, I did pick up this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair, and this is their 2 easy texture kinky curly glueless V-part Flexi-Fit Drawstring Wig. It does have this drawstring so you can get a nice custom flexible fit. It's catered to all different head shapes and sizes, and that is one thing that I love about the drawstring, and it really does give a nice secure hold. Now I am just going in and redefining these curls. Now it looked perfectly fine initially out of the box, but I like to kind of go in and give it my own little flair. So I'm going in using a little bit of water, I'm detangling, and then I'm going to use a styling gel that I got from the 99-cent store. Super cheap, and it's something that you can use on your wigs. You don't have to break the bank. I'll leave all the details on everything that I'm using throughout this video in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. But I'm applying that all over the hair. I'm using my Alicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and I'm defining those curls to get a nice natural look. You guys see how those curls are just effortlessly clumping together. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So some more details about this wig. The wig that I have is in this gorgeous kinky curly texture. My unit is 18 inches long, and this is what it looks like. I didn't want to waste more time showing you guys how I'm styling up this unit, so you guys want to just see the final look. But this is what the hair looks like, completely defined. You guys see those curls. I'm just gonna set this wig outside, let it dry while I finish getting ready. It literally took 30 minutes to completely dry. Now I'm just kind of scrunching it up in my hand because the gel did create a minor cast, so I do want to break that off, and it makes the hair super soft. Now here's my leave out, y'all. I just do braid outs. I applied a little bit of styling product. I put my hair in 2 cornrows, and that's pretty much it. So here is the cap construction on this V-part wig. It does have 5 wefted clips, 3 combs. It has the Flexi-Fit Drawstring, as well as the anti-slip silicone backing. Now I am going to go ahead and clip off those little straps that are in between the V-part opening. You don't need that. So now the wig is ready to be installed. So right now I'm just going to gather my hair up, kind of clip that off to the side, and we're going to go ahead and get this wig on. I do typically like to use the first 2 wefted clips around the V-part opening. That is all I use. I don't use any of the combs, just the 2 wefted clips towards the very front. Paying close attention on how I install those clips because I don't want it to create any damage or rip through my natural hair. I'm just going to adjust the flexi drawstring in the very back to where I get a nice, secure, comfortable fit. Now I'm just going to take my white tooth comb and just kind of create some volume with this wig. You guys see how gorgeous this hair is shaping up. It's just so much volume, gorgeous. Then I'm going to blend in my natural hair in with the unit. Alright, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like, y'all. So effortless and stinking cute. Like, I love how natural this unit looks, because sometimes when the hair is too defined, it might look too new. But I feel like with my hair, since it's a little on the frizzier side and how it's kind of blending in with the unit, it's giving a very natural braid out that's like on day 3. And I love the fact that this unit is just full of body, it's full of movement, and it's short, because y'all know I don't prefer super long units during the summertime. It's just too hot. It's just too hot out here in AZ. So the length is super necessary for me this summertime, and I just love how cute it looks. Now you can definitely wear this in like a side part position. I've seen girlies kind of pull out their natural hair and create like a little faux bang type of style. Now my leave out is a little on the longer side, so as much as I wanted to do like a little curly bang, I couldn't, and I was super sad about that. But for the most part, the possibilities with this unit is literally endless. Now I get a few comments from time to time of you guys wanting to see how these V-part wigs look without any leave out, so I decided to take the wig off just to kind of show you guys how this unit looks, being that it's one of their new and improved upgraded caps, how this unit looks without doing the crochet method and without any leave out. Now you're gonna definitely have to kind of play around with the V-part opening to make it look natural. Now my hair is kind of in a taut ponytail underneath, so it's kind of laying really flat, but I would definitely recommend you kind of leaving like your hair underneath just a little forgiving, so therefore it blends in naturally with the V-part opening. But this is what the unit looks like without any leave out. It's definitely doable. But again, y'all know I love to use my leave out. Girl, I have it, so I'm going to use it. But for the most part, this is what this wig is looking like. You guys check out Luvme. I'll have all the details located in the info section below. If you guys do decide to pick up this wig, be sure to use my discount code, which is SMTW, to save 30% off of this purchase. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.